winning RS500 Sierra, and these Bowden's own detailers will race to clean it with the greatest race bucket. The winner gets hot laps in the Sierra, while the loser, well, you'll see. The rules are simple: clean the whole car, don't miss a spot, and Marshall's call is final. Let's start this great race. Bretto's off to a flying start, racing in with Sudzilla. That's a solid froth, but not as frothing as the dick fans. I've never seen bigger dick fans than this. Gareto's not looking too strong. This isn't the first time coming from behind. Oh no! He's dropped his mitt. The dick fans are on the track. There's no way they're gonna let him touch that paint. This is mayhem. I can see them stopping this race. It's been red flagged. This means the win will go to who was leading before the flag. Bretto has won!
Bloody disgraceful wash technique out here today, but I'll tell you what, you're a pack of detailing wankers.
That was quite the podium spray from Bretto. Now what does the loser get? Finish the wash and push Bretto for his prize. Thanks for watching.